What's going on, Mullen fans? Welcome back for another Finesse Monster Activist Bull video. Hope you guys are enjoying your weekends out there, getting ready for another trading week. Here in this video today, we're going to talk about share intel. I know a lot of people are expecting or anticipating the company to come out with some sort of update, maybe from the law firm that was hired from Muln Automotive to look into illegal trading activities and or naked short selling. We're going to get into the details of that. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you are new to the channel so you get more content coming from me. Shout out to Mac2 over on Twitter for her post that I'm going to read, and I do appreciate your support on my channel. We're going to talk about this post you made, Jason Bleeker. He says, how many months does Share Intel need to put some data on a spreadsheet? JFC, release the data. We are all hanging on by a thread. And Mac2 says, Share Intel can go far back as 2 years, I believe. At David Mishry has the data. They are just waiting for the right time, and they have to go through the process. I believe they have the names of the recipients. I don't know when it will come, but I believe we are not far away. Now, back on April 28th of this year, Muln Automotive did retain outside counsel to analyze recent trading and illegal short selling activities. Now, April 28th was just days before the 1-for-25 reverse stock split was initiated. Now, why did David Mishry wait till Muln Automotive stock got down near their 10-cent level to retain Share Intel to look into illegal trading activities? Could it be because the company wanted those toxic lenders to sell their converted preferred stock in the open market all the way down to 10 cents per share? Could it have been the company's last resort as getting retail interest and boosting the stock price before they initiated their reverse stock split? You let me know your comments on that below. So where is Muln Automotive at on the process of investigation of illegal trading activities? Because we know on July 5th, Muln also retained the law firm for naked short selling investigation. That is Attar Lawfirm. And David Mishry says also back on July 5th that since our announcement on April 28th, we have been actively investigating naked short selling, and we now have enough intel to have the law firm actively investigate and, where justified, take action against any market manipulators using naked short selling, spoofing, or other illegal acts. So Muln Automotive has enough intel in order for the law firm to take action. And this is one of Attar attorney's specialties, securities and stock fraud. It says together with co-counsel attorneys at Christian Levine have been pursuing investment banking and brokerage firms on Wall Street for 20 years for naked short selling, which is a sophisticated form of stock manipulation. Throughout this time, we have identified the schemes and devices we believe are being used by Merrill Lynch, Goldman Sachs, Credit Suisse, Deutsche Bank, Bank of America Securities, and other brokerage firms. I want to rewind a little bit and go over Share Intel steps of investigation before we go into how long of a process it may be for Muln Automotive to get some action on illegal trading activities. Right here on the main page of Share Intel's website, it says CEOs tell us the most important currency is their company's stock. What forces drive your share price and market capitalization, and who owns your company? Share Intel's core service is drill down, which is data repository information link. And the first step to that is the client company, which is Muln Automotive, agrees to appoint Share Intel as its confidential agent to aggregate, compile, and rationalize broker, dealer, and shareholder data from all known and available relevant sources and entities, which Muln Automotive did retain them back in April. Step 2, Share Intel analyzes. They analyze specific share ownership and electronically in street name and physically in private custody. Step 3, archive. Data not captured is data lost. Much of the data Share Intel captures on behalf of client issuer companies cannot be obtained looking back in time. Maybe it is too far back in time to get this information from broker dealers, and also not including the many loopholes that these manipulators have in the system in order to hide their short data or illegal trading activities. Step 4, alert. David should have been receiving a tailored monthly executive summary in addition to automatic specific email alerts designed to establish relevant and meaningful analyses and utility that every company CEO needs. This dynamic platform delivers optimal flexibility, providing the client company CEO with the ability to constantly adjust and amend settings to meet relevant parameters and evolving conditions with the intention to maximize shareholder transparency and knowledge. And their last step is to act. The common client issues uncovered is stock price manipulation, insider trading, naked shorting, market timing, violation of Rule 144, and corporate governance and compliance violations. ShareIntel's team of consultants is uniquely qualified to answer complex compliance, legal, accounting, proxy, investor relations, and other business issues that will invariably surface during this process. Who knows what else may surface during the process that could go against Muln Automotive in this investigation. And now my final point is that this process can be lengthy for Muln Automotive. People want updates on what's going on with the investigation. It's only been about 2 months since Muln Automotive hired the law firm Christian Attar back on July 5th. And the example I have here is Overstock. Overstock accepted a $20 million settlement on market manipulation case back in January 28th, 2016. But how long did that actually take for them to settle? And this is actually a company that Christian Attar worked with. It says the suit first filed in 2007. They just settled in 2016, but it was first filed in 2007. Alleged that certain prime brokerage firms had engaged in illegal market manipulation, naked short selling, or selling phantom shares of stock in a deliberate effort to manipulate Overstock.com share prices. Over many years and millions of dollars of discovery generating millions of documents, Overstock.com chased the conduct of several of these firms, settled with many, and eventually winnowed its case down to two principal defendants, Goldman Sachs and Merrill Pro. It does say that they settled with many other firms during the process, but just wanted to point out that the first time it was filed was in 2007 to the settlement in 2016. That's 9 years there. So the process could very well be lengthy, but on the other hand, just like Mac2 said over on Twitter, if Muln Automotive potentially has a couple of the names of the culprits that are involved with shorting the stock or driving the stock price down illegally, then that could trigger some sort of possible lawsuit to be announced and could cause some buying pressure, in my opinion. But on the other hand, like I mentioned in this video, investors must also be aware that other issues could arise as well during this investigation that could backfire against David Mystery and the company if they had something to do with any type of action going on with the stock price being driven down. So let me know what you guys think about the information covered in this video. Hope you found some of the information valuable. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video so more people can know about it. And I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm gone.